Hi everyone, this is Bank Nifty Future 1 minute chart. At the end of the video, we will show option chart also. Automatically, in this chart, you will receive calls like entry point and target and stop loss. On daily basis, we are analyzing how calls are generating and how it performing in live market. Today, it's a Friday market. During this Friday market, March 24, after 2 hours of market open, after 11:15 a.m., we have received a buy call generator. So green color candle open. That straight white color line from green color candle. Buy at 39,684. That is our entry point line 684. First target is a 784. 100 point first target. 200 point second target. Like this every day. Every day you will receive calls automatically in this chart. How you are watching the video right now, you are going to watch the chart, get the call, place the order in your broker account. By just watching it, you will get the market trend, where to enter the market, where to exit the market also. Today at 39,684, we have received this buy call and we are waiting for a 100 point momentum. For now, 50 point, more than a 50, we can say 70 point movement has been given in the market. Let's go and watch the previous day sell call also. So you will have the idea about previous day market itself. Today 9:15 a.m. This is today 9:15 a.m. market first candle has been open with the previous day selling momentum. Previous day sell call generated at 145, 40,169. This 145 sell call has been followed up to today 11 o'clock. Okay, so as you can see that sell call first break out the first target range, in few minutes second target, continuous bearish momentum up to today 11 a.m. itself. So due to this only, the first fresh call is this buy call only for the Friday market. After 20 minutes of buy call generator, market finally break out the first target range of 39,784. 100 point movement has been given in during this time. Like this today, buy call generated and break out the target. 39,500 call option, direct month end option. Due to coming week is a monthly expiry. At 4:59 buy call generator, and market move all the way up to the 520 range. Like this, you can directly watch the option chart and place the order also. For chart subscription detail, just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We'll provide you the details. Thank you.